Welcome to our YouTube video on extrusion. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what extrusion is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Extrusion is a manufacturing process where material, typically metal or plastic, is forced through a shaped die to produce long objects with a fixed cross-section, such as pipes, rods, or profiles. Think of extrusion like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. The material takes the shape of the opening as it comes out. So, why is it so beneficial? Because it allows engineers to create complex shapes efficiently, ensures uniform cross-sections, reduces material waste, and is widely used in construction, automotive, and consumer products. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.